All right, guys, it is the first day we're going to be working on the outside garden. We've got some raised beds that my mother got me for Christmas, so we're finally going to set these up. We've got two of them, so we are going to put them together right back there on that back section. So let's give her a try. Number one is down. I said 500 screws. I meant 5,000 screws. It is awesome though. This thing is nice and sturdy. It is up to my waist. Pretty fucking cool, man. I'm excited about this. We've got two of these that we're going to be putting side by side. And I think what we'll do is we'll take a cattle panel and sticker on that side and have it come down to the other one. Not necessarily plant that into what we're going to be using on the cattle panel, but we'll be able to plant in between them and utilize as much ground as possible. This right here is a garden that I've been working on for the past 2 years. It is a 40 by 20, and then this is an 8 by 10 area. We were super lazy last year, and we, as you can see, we didn't pull anything out. We just kind of let her fall where she did. We definitely got our work cut out for us. Each year we plan on making them just a little bit better, so that's all that matters. All right, we're gonna get this other one set up and then we'll come back. Now we're going to put these a rubber gasket that goes over these sharp fucking edges because they will cut you up. All right, guys, well, we got them both together. After a little deliberation, we decided that area just did not get as much sun as we usually liked it. That side of the garden did not do super great last year. We had all of our tomatoes and peppers here. And in the later months in the summer here, this area gets awesome sun. So we've decided to bring it from over there to here. And we're going to have the space in between because I plan on putting a cattle panel that's going to come right over. We'll utilize some of that as planting space and just be able to have a little walk-through area. Also left some room over on the back end so we can get in there. I said, fuck the cardboard. We're just going to fill it up with all the crap that we got around here. Start filling it in. I've got a compost bin that I've set up over there. We'll go check that out in a second. So we'll start hauling some of that shit from over there. We've got all of these branches. I've got some logs out there that have been on the ground rotting for quite some time. So we will fill in this bottom a little bit and then start packing her in with some other stuff. And this one right here, we're using some of the smaller sticks and twigs and whatever. And in this one, we're going to use some of the larger stuff. So we'll see which one does better. I think some of the more traditional ones, they kind of use larger logs like this and some of that too. We don't have quite as much room to kind of just bunch of shit in there. So we're just going to try two different. So we'll see what happens. Here is compost bin. This was up above. I had just basically piled on some of the stuff from the chicken coop, some of our yard litter and stuff, and it has broke down to all of this from over the winter. So we'll throw some of that in there. All right, guys, well, we are going to call it quits for today. We have the wood underneath here, and then we basically just raked up a bunch of the crap that we had laying around, dumped her in there. This one, same deal. We're going to call it quits for today and either come back to it tomorrow or we'll work on it next weekend. But so far, so good. I think we're doing all right.